Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 DK Mazda 3 Neo hatch, stock reference number 4410. This shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 6th month 2006. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiated grille, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, 5-wire type, light scratches on the outside edge of the case. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims, left front has a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has a large dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type. Tailgate appears to have no damage, spoiler type, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right power door mirror, scratches on the outside edge, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with light grey interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.